Hey there. I could not help but notice how the moon makes you look like an angel.
Thanks.
What's your name, pretty lady?
How long do I have to pretend I am interested in you before I politely remove myself from your presence?
Even if you send me many signs that you are not interested throughout our conversation, I will still ask for your number at the end.
I will give it to you because society has taught me to be grateful for male attention and also to be sweet and accommodating to others. I probably will give you my real phone number too. But I will not pick up your call.
But I am really hot. Everyone finds me classically beautiful.
I am indifferent to what most people view as hot. I am attracted to people's senses. Does that make sense? I have not seen your essence. All I have seen is someone who views me as an object that you want, probably to have sex eventually.
What is so bad about sex?
Nothing is wrong with sex. I like sex, although I prefer not to have genital penetrative sex. But that is besides the point. You do not want to find out anything about me. Do you want to have sex with me?
Yes.
Do you want to be my friend?
Maybe.
I have to get to know someone before I want to become romantically or sexually involved. Many asexual people are demi-romantic. That's what that means.
Why do you not want to have genital penetrative sex?
I do not like things to be put inside of me.
That is weird. Is there something wrong with you? Maybe you can go to a doctor and get that fixed.
Do you like things put inside of you during sex?
Well, no. But
well, maybe there is something wrong with you and you could go to a doctor. Thank you for the suggestion, asshole.
You will never be happy. Because you will never find anyone who will want to be with you if you don't let them put things inside of you. Women like to have sex.
I like to have sex. There are many things you can do when having sex.
Like what?
I have educated you enough for tonight. You can go on my blog. I have a lot of good sex tips for you. Now let me go to my cabin before I blow my fucking brains out.
Oh cool. You are really interesting. Can I get your number?